Exercise 12.3, question 16. The question is calculate the area of the designed region. Okay, here in the figure you are given this design figure, this one, and we are supposed to find its area. Okay, as we can see, a square is given to us. Each side is of 8 centimeter. Now if out of this square I subtract area of this part and of this part, this design part will be remained. Correct? So first thing, I will find the area of square. Quite an easy thing. Side into side. Okay. But then we have to find area of this region and this region. I given it name as region 1 and this is as region 2. So we will find area of region 1, region 2, and from the whole square's area we will subtract these two area. Okay? Why? So that we can get the area of this design shape. ठीक? So firstly finding area of part 1. See, I have given it name A, B, C, D, and these 2 points here somewhere on this design as E and this other point as F, so that I can name it easily, I can find it easily. So now I am finding area of this part 1 and part 2 individually. I am drawing 2 more figures. Here A, B, C, D is there, and simply drawing this part. This is DFP. Okay. Now check, if you find area of the square and then from this area if you subtract this area, will you get area of region 1? Yes, you will. Now check, what is this area? Isn't it just like a sector? 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, then arc is there, it is the center, it is the radius. Here the angle is 90 degree. Why? Square. So you are having a sector with radius 8 centimeter, theta 90 degree, and you can find its area easily using formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. So this will be 90 by 360 into pi r square. Okay, here it will give me, so it will be pi, that is 3.14, and 8 square, that is 8 into 8, so 4 2s are 8, and you will get into 16. So that can be multiplied. Like this. Okay, so this is area of this sector. This is the area of sector. Now my target is to find area of region 1. Area of region 1 is area of this whole square ABCD minus area of the sector. Which sector it is? Area of the sector. This is area of the sector ABFD. Correct, no? So area of square is side square, 8 square minus this will give you 64 minus 50.24, and on subtracting you will be getting here, this is giving me 3 and 1 units. It is in centimeter, so here it will be in centimeter square. Okay, Now see, same way you can find area of this region 2 also. Again the same procedure. Firstly area of the square, then area of this sector 8, 90 degree. And if from this square you subtract this sector, you will get area of part 2. It means again it will be same 13.76 है ना. तो now again here square is there, these two regions are there for which individually you have found the area, calculated the area. My aim was to find area of this design, this middle shape. So after this, similarly area of region 2 will be 13, what was that, 13.76. Okay, so here was the square, this is region 1, this is region 2. From this squares area, region 1 and region 2 areas will be subtracted. You will get the area of the shaded part. So area of the shaded part, again area of square minus area of region 1 minus area of region 2. Correct? See, if you are directly solving it, it will be difficult for you. So it's better if you make these two different drawings. You must have the understanding that here these two areas are there, and from the area of square we are supposed to subtract it. And now it is very easy for you to calculate. Here area of the square will be 8 into 8 minus region 1 is this. Same is with region 2. This is 64. Here adding these two first and now subtract it. 64 minus this will give me, so 36.48 square centimeter. This is the area of the shaded region.